Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this really spring dramatic Eastery look for you guys. I did a bunch of pinks and purples and mauve colors and I really like how it turned out. Please be sure to subscribe if you have not already. I do makeup tutorials, fashion, beauty, all that kind of stuff. Lifestyle, you name it. So please be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to see how I got this Easter makeup look, then just keep watching. So as you can pretty much tell, I've already done my foundation. I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Nude Beige, which is number 125, and I use precisely my brow pencil, and I'm just going to kind of fill in them a little bit since I did them probably like a half hour ago, and I think I kind of wiped some of them off. But first I'm going to prime my eyelids with this Marc Jacobs concealer in the color Awake, and I'm just using this kind of flat shader brush. It's actually like a paintbrush. I'm pretty sure I got it in like a FabFitFun box or an Ipsy box or something like that. But I'm just gonna prime my lids all over. Fading now, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go. Then I'm taking the Norvina palette by Anastasia, and I'm taking the color Base, and I'm just gonna set that concealer on my brows. Doesn't matter if it's kind of messy because again we're going over it with eyeshadow. But I am going to pretty much use this Norvina palette for most of this tutorial. Then I'm just going to comb out my eyebrow or my eyelash extensions because they're kind of tangled and they just need to be combed. And I'm going in with Eccentric in the Norvina palette, and I'm just going to put that all over my crease. And again, this is just going to be the base color, so it's okay if it's messy. Just to make me feel again, I wanted something real to just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I ever you. Now I'm taking my Morphe 350 palette and I'm going in with this burnt orange color, and I'm going to also put that on the crease and just kind of brighten that up. As it's a little bit brown, I want it to be more springy and bright with that orange. If you wanna go sometime, yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Now I'm taking that same concealer by Marc Jacobs and I'm just going to cut my crease and a little bit farther than my crease actually, because we're going to go in with some glitter and it's easier just to do that. That way the glitter sticks more. As for all the brushes I'm using to you guys, they're pretty much all from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Favorites collection, which I will have all of the products and brushes linked on my blog, and I will link that in the description box. But now I'm going in with one of my favorite colors in the palette. It's called Celestial, and it's this beautiful purple color, and I just love it. But as you're going to see, I'm going to have to top it off because it's not as pigmented as this one in the Heavy Metals palette by Urban Decay. This is called Metalhead. This is going to really give it that pop of color that I'm looking for on top of that Celestial. Now I'm just going to wipe away any of the excess fallout of eyeshadow with some foundation. As I said before, I did this a half hour ago, so some of it came off. And then we're just going to blend everything together with just a flat or a fluffy blending brush. And then I'm taking the Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte, which is my favorite for inside of my waterline. I'm just going to do that. And I'm taking Man Eater mascara by Tarte as well, and I'm just going to do my lower lashes as well as my top lashes because I did get some eyeshadow on my eyelash extensions. I know you're not supposed to wear it on there, but we're going to do it today. Then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Fair Beige. Since I am super pale right now, that's the color we're using. And I'm just going to take my Beauty Blender and blend that out. Now I'm going in with my favorite soft blurring powder by Becca Cosmetics, and I'm taking my favorite brush as well to kind of set that and set my under eye concealer. It gives this perfect, almost face-tuned type look, and it just makes it look beautiful. And I'm taking now this, I believe it's by NYX, this contour palette, and I'm just going to contour my nose as well as my cheeks. I've been doing some heavier contouring lately just because I'm super pale and I just like to bronze my face with it pretty much. So we're gonna do our cheeks, we're gonna do my forehead, and then we're also gonna put some bronzer on. I'm using this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in the color medium dark or medium deep, and I'm just gonna blend out my neck and all of that. Now I'm taking this burnt orange color from the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm just going to line underneath my waterline and kind of make the eyes pop and just bring everything all together. Now I'm taking kind of like a softer blending brush for underneath the eye, and I'm just going to get out any harsh lines underneath the eye and just blend it out. And like I said, I am going to put mascara on my eyelash extensions because we need to today. Now I'm taking the color Wild Child in the Norvina palette, and I'm just going to pop that in my tear ducts and give it an extra pop of color. I love all the sparkles that are going on in the eyes. It's super spring, super Easter. In this color by Sélah, it's called Sunset Cove, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyes and then blend it out with an IT Cosmetics flat shader brush. My eyes just really remind me of like a unicorn or a mermaid right now. It's super fun. I love it for Easter. It's definitely not a subtle Easter look, but I like it. Then we're just going to do the apples of our cheeks and do some strobing with my incandescent Hourglass powder. And I'm taking this Lorac blush palette, and I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks as well. And then we're using Strawberry Gum by Jeffree Star. This is his lip scrub. They're my favorite before we do our lipstick. Now I'm taking this NYX lip liner, and I will leave the product down below in my blog because I do not remember the exact color that it is. ColourPop Cosmetics. This is called Tiny Chum. It was the Hello Kitty X ColourPop collection. I love this. It's super pretty, but for the spring look, I kind of wanted to do more of a glossy lip, so I'm taking this Buxom Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Kelly, and I'm just going to place that on top of it and end with some setting spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will talk to you guys soon.